The psychology of color and its influence on marketing. Hello, color enthusiasts and English learners. Welcome back to English with Sophia. Today we're painting a vibrant lesson about the psychology of color and how it influences marketing. This eye-opening topic will not only brighten your understanding of marketing strategies, but also add some colorful new hues to your English language palette. So let's dive into this spectrum of knowledge and language learning. Warm-up, vocabulary and discussion. Before we splash into our main topic, let's start with some key vocabulary related to color psychology and marketing. Try to guess the meanings of these words. 1. Perception. 2. Branding. 3. Emotional response. 4. Saturation. 5. Hue. Now let's discuss. Have you heard these terms before? Can you use any of them in a sentence? Brilliant work. We'll be painting our lesson with these terms and many more. Remember, it's perfectly normal if some words seem unfamiliar at first. Learning new vocabulary is like mixing colors. It takes practice to get the perfect blend. What is color psychology? Let's begin by defining color psychology. Color psychology is the study of how colors affect human behavior, emotions, and perceptions. In marketing, it refers to how colors influence consumer behavior and decision-making processes. Language focus. Notice how we use refer to define or explain a concept. Can you think of other phrases we use to provide definitions or explanations in English? Discussion question. How would you explain color psychology to someone who's never heard of it? Try using simple language and some of the vocabulary we've just learned. The basic color wheel and color harmonies. Understanding the color wheel is crucial for grasping color psychology. 1. Primary colors: red, blue, yellow. 2. Secondary colors: green, orange, purple. 3. Tertiary colors: colors created by mixing primary and secondary colors. Color harmonies are combinations of colors that are aesthetically pleasing. 1. Complementary: colors opposite each other on the color wheel. 2. Analogous: colors next to each other on the color wheel. 3. Triadic: 3 colors equally spaced on the color wheel. Vocabulary building. Let's break down some compound words we've used. Color wheel, color plus wheel. Color psychology, color plus psychology. Decision-making, xiao, decision plus making. Can you think of other compound words related to colors or marketing? Grammar focus, conditionals, second conditional. When discussing color psychology and its effects on marketing, we often use conditional sentences to describe hypothetical situations or give advice. Let's focus on the second conditional, which is used for unlikely or imaginary situations in the present or future. Structure: if plus past simple would plus infinitive. Examples. 1. If a company used red in its logo, it would evoke feelings of excitement and passion. 2. If the packaging were blue, customers would perceive the product as more trustworthy. Practice. Complete these sentences using the second conditional. 1. If a brand choose green for its marketing materials, it convey a message of growth and harmony. 2. Consumers feel more relaxed if the website use cool colors like blue and purple. 3. If the product packaging be yellow, it attract more attention on the shelf. Answers. 1. Chose would convey. 2. Would feel. Used. 3. Were would attract. Color associations and their impact on marketing. Different colors evoke different emotions and associations. Let's explore some common color associations and their use in marketing. 1. Red. Excitement, passion, urgency. Often used for clearance sales or fast food brands. 2. Blue. Trust, stability, calmness. Commonly used by banks and tech companies. 3. Green. Nature, growth, health. Popular in eco-friendly and health food branding. 4. Yellow. Optimism, clarity, warmth. Used to grab attention or convey cheerfulness. 5. Purple. Luxury, creativity, mystery. Often seen in beauty and anti-aging product marketing. 6. Orange. Enthusiasm, adventure, confidence. Used in calls to action or for brands targeting young people. 7. Black. Sophistication, luxury, power. Common in high-end product marketing. Critical thinking task. Choose a well-known brand and analyze its use of color in marketing. How does the color align with the brand's image and target audience? Share your thoughts in the comments section. Writing task. Write a short paragraph, 5 to 7 sentences, describing how you would use color psychology to market a new product of your choice. Use the second conditional where appropriate and try to incorporate some of the new vocabulary. Cultural differences in color perception. It's important to note that color associations can vary across cultures. 1. White. Purity in Western cultures, but associated with mourning in some Eastern cultures. 2. Red. Danger or passion in the West, but luck and prosperity in China. 3. Green. Nature in many cultures, but can be associated with infidelity in China. 4. Purple. Royalty in Western cultures, but can signify mourning in Thailand. Discussion activity. In small groups or in the comments, discuss. Are there any colors that have specific cultural significance in your country? How might these cultural differences affect global marketing strategies? Language practice. Use reported speech to share what others in your group said about color associations in their cultures. For example, Maria said that in her country, yellow is associated with jealousy. Color psychology and digital marketing. In the digital age, color psychology plays a crucial role in web design and online marketing. 1. Website design. Colors can influence user experience and time spent on a site. 2. Call to action buttons. The right color can significantly increase click-through rates. 3. Email marketing. Color schemes can affect open rates and engagement. 4. Social media. Different platforms have different color associations. 5. Mobile apps. Color can influence app downloads and user retention. Research task. Choose a popular website or app and analyze its color scheme. Prepare a short presentation, 2 to 3 minutes, about your findings, using the second conditional to suggest how changes in color might affect user behavior. Conclusion and quiz. As we wrap up our colorful journey through the psychology of color and its influence on marketing, I hope you've not only expanded your English vocabulary and grammar skills, but also gained a deeper appreciation for the subtle yet powerful role colors play in our perceptions and decisions. Remember, just as marketers carefully choose colors to communicate their message, language learners can select their words and phrases to effectively convey their thoughts and ideas. By enhancing your English skills, you're adding more shades and hues to your communication palette. Now let's test your understanding with a short quiz. 1. What does color psychology in marketing primarily refer to? A. The study of how to mix colors. B. How colors affect consumer behavior and decision-making. C. The history of color use in advertisements. 2. Which of the following is not a type of color harmony mentioned in the lesson? A. Complementary. B. Analogous. C. Monochromatic. 3. Which conditional form did we focus on in the grammar section? A. Zero conditional. B. First conditional. C. Second conditional. 4. Complete the sentence using the second conditional. If the brand Justarkatiets use purple in its logo, it convey a sense of luxury. A used would convey. B uses will convey. C had used would have conveyed. 5. Which of the following is mentioned as a cultural difference in color perception? A. Red is universally seen as a color of danger. Bitter. White is associated with mourning in some Eastern cultures. C. Green has the same significance in all cultures. Answers: 1B, 2C, 3C, 4A, 5B. Thank you for joining me on this vibrant exploration of color psychology and English language. Don't forget to subscribe to English with Sophia for more engaging lessons that will color your world with knowledge and language skills. Until next time, keep practicing your English and remember, in the world of language learning, as with color psychology, every shade of understanding adds depth to your communication. Additional resources. To continue learning about color psychology and marketing in English, check out these resources. Color Matters, https www.colormatters.com. Canva's Color Theory, course, https www.canva.com. Learn Color Theory. Psychology. Today's articles on color psychology, https www.psychologytoday.com. Yes, basics, color psychology. Remember, engaging with authentic English language materials on professional topics is an excellent way to improve your language skills while gaining insights into important marketing concepts.